In this video, I will show how to calculate difference in two dates in Excel. So you can use this formula. Well, date DIF. Now opening bracket, start date, comma, end date, comma. Now this symbol and Y, and closing bracket. Now press enter. Equal date DIF, opening bracket, and select this start date, comma, end date, comma, quotation mark, and Y to get the difference as a year. Then closing bracket, press enter. Same date DIF, opening bracket, start date, comma, end date, comma, quotation mark, and aim for month. Press enter. So you will get the difference as a month. Now this time select D and press enter. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.